Imagine an endless supply of highly targeted free leads for your business. Imagine leveraging the most credible news sources on the planet to gain unlimited free traffic. Imagine the biggest names on earth getting prospects interested in your business for you. And imagine if marketing and enrollment masters trained you every month on how to maximize every lead, every visitor, and every conversation. Introducing PowurPRO, the latest invention from the tech and marketing geniuses behind Powur. Designed to fill your pipeline with an endless amount of fresh solar leads and partners. PowurPRO is a state-of-the-art content curation system and lead generation engine all packed into one. As a member of PowurPRO, you'll unlock your own PowerPress site. Simply share all the news the PowerPress system curates across social media, and it will automatically drive engagement and traffic that turns into prospects, leads, and new partners for your business. Not only that, but as a Pro member, we'll train you on the latest social media marketing secrets to skyrocket your growth. As a PowurPRO member, you'll get your own custom PowerPress site, automatic curated content to generate free leads, professional solar and power banner ads built into your site, an advanced monthly marketing class to expand your audience and leads, detailed analytics for tracking your results, traffic integration with Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and email, step-by-step training system to maximize lead generation, including boosted posts, audience growth strategies, and advanced enrollment techniques, custom landing pages for targeted advertising, coming soon. Over $200,000 was invested in initial development. As a pioneering member of Pro, you lock in full access at just $19 per month. But hurry, the price will be increasing August 7th to $29 per month. Don't miss out on the most elite and sophisticated business growth engine in the history of direct selling, working 24/7 to grow your clean energy empire. Become a Pro now and get started today.